Did you know that your bones are constantly changing, breaking down and rebuilding themselves every single day? But here's the scary part. After age 30, that rebuilding process slows down dramatically. And that's why millions of people start feeling joint pain, stiffness, or even bone weakness long before old age. But what if I told you that the key to stronger bones and pain-free joints isn't in supplements? It's already in your kitchen? Yes, in today's video, we are diving into 10 powerful science-backed foods that naturally strengthen your bones, lubricate your joints, and prevent future pain or fractures. Just stay with me till the end, because food number 10 is one most people never think of, but it works wonders for your joints. 1. Milk, the classic calcium source. Yes, let's start with the most obvious. Milk. It's packed with calcium, the building block of bones, and vitamin D, which helps your body absorb it. So a daily glass of milk, whether dairy or fortified plant-based milk, can help slow down bone loss and keep your skeleton strong. But if you are lactose intolerant, try almond or soy milk, enriched with calcium and vitamin D. 2. Yogurt and cheese, the gut-bone connection. Yes, yogurt and cheese aren't just tasty. They are rich in probiotics, protein, and calcium. Studies show that healthy gut bacteria actually improve calcium absorption and lower inflammation in your joints. So a serving of plain yogurt or a small portion of cheese can be a bone-boosting snack. Just avoid the sugary ones. 3. Fatty fish, the joint protector. Keep in mind that salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation that causes joint pain. But they also provide vitamin D, which helps your body to use calcium effectively. And so, regular fish consumption keeps your bones dense and your joints flexible. But for vegetarians, chia seeds and flax seeds offer plant-based omega-3s too. 4. Nuts and seeds, the tiny bone builders. Research has found that almonds, walnuts, sesame seeds, and chia seeds are packed with magnesium, phosphorus, and healthy fats, all essential for bone strength. In particular, magnesium helps your body turn vitamin D into its active form, allowing better calcium absorption. Yes, just a handful of nuts or a spoonful of seeds daily can go a long way in building stronger bones. 5. Leafy greens, nature's calcium boost. Yes, spinach, kale, and collard greens are some of the best plant-based sources of calcium. Vitamin K and folate. Specifically, vitamin K helps your body bind calcium to your bones, making them denser and less likely to fracture. Try adding these greens to smoothies, salads, or light stir-fries to make them part of your routine. 6. Beans and lentils, plant protein power. Bear in mind that beans, lentils, and chickpeas are loaded with protein, zinc, and fiber, nutrients that play a major role in bone and joint health. Specifically, zinc helps repair tiny cracks in your bones, while plant protein supports cartilage tissue, and eating legumes 3 to 4 times a week can help protect your joints and improve bone density. 7. Citrus fruits, collagen boosters. Yes, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen, the main protein in your bones and cartilage. Keep in mind that without enough vitamin C, your bones can become brittle and your joints lose flexibility. And so, a glass of fresh orange juice or a few slices of citrus daily keeps your joints moving smoothly. 8. Eggs, the vitamin D secret. Yes, eggs, especially the yolks, are an excellent source of vitamin D and protein. This combination helps your body absorb calcium and maintain muscle mass, both vital for strong bones and stable joints. One boiled egg a day adds a healthy boost to your skeletal system. 9. Garlic and onions, the anti-inflammatory duo. Bear in mind that garlic and onions are rich in sulfur compounds, which help reduce joint inflammation and boost collagen production. But these same compounds also strengthen connective tissues around your joints, keeping them flexible and pain-free. Try adding them fresh to soups, salads, or your daily meals, and your bones will thank you. And 10. Broccoli, the underrated powerhouse. Yes, finally, broccoli, the all-rounder. It's loaded with calcium, vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants that help prevent bone loss. But it also contains sulforaphane, a unique compound proven to protect against joint degeneration. Yes, this humble veggie truly earns its place as one of the best bone and joint foods on the planet. And here are bonus tips. Build strong bones every day. Yes, here are a few quick habits. To supercharge your bone health, get at least 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily. For vitamin D, do weight-bearing exercises like walking or squats. Cut down on sugary drinks and alcohol. Keep your body hydrated. Your joints need water to stay lubricated. Yes, your bones carry you through life. Every step, every jump, every move. So treat them well today, and they will carry you strong for decades to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural health tips from Health in 10. Thank you for watching, and take care.